Adding 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Alright guys, I'm just gonna cook the garlic paste and the onion and the carrot for a few minutes until they are nice and soft. I've got 1 kilo of ground beef. Just gonna cook this. Just adding some salt, 2 teaspoons of salt, black pepper, and some paprika. I'm just going to add a can of tomatoes. This is diced can of tomatoes, and just mixing this through. I'm going to also add a tablespoon of tomato paste. So a tablespoon of tomato paste. And I'm just mixing this very thoroughly. Guys, thank you for liking my live video. Thank you. I really appreciate that. So I'm just going to mix the tomato and the tomato paste. Just make sure everything is mixed. So adding 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. So this one here, Worcestershire sauce, just 1 tablespoon. Also adding beef stock seasoning. So beef stock seasoning, this one right here. I'm just going to mix this through. So now I'm just gonna add rosemary leaves. This is dried rosemary. Just add it in there, about a teaspoon. And I'm adding also mixed herbs. Just adding mixed herbs. So now I'm just gonna test it to see if the salt is still good. Just gonna add a little bit more salt. Alright guys, I'm going to leave this just to simmer on very low heat while I'm making my mashed potato. Just gonna leave this on low. Alright guys, I'm just gonna add a little bit of self-raising flour, just even plain flour will do just to thicken this sauce. So just self-raising flour, a teaspoon, and then mix it through in there, and a little bit of beef stock, just half a cup. Just pouring this mixture in there. So using a fork, I'm just spreading this. Just spreading it around nice and even. So now I'm just gonna put the mashed potato on top. So just spreading the mashed potato. Alright guys, just adding cheddar cheese on top. So just cover with cheddar cheese. Now I'm going to bake in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes, and I'll come back and show you how this looks. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you can. Thank you.